Hey guys, today I will show you how to get the One Punch Man World modded version with unlimited resources for iOS and Android. This guide will tell you about it without computer, without jailbreak. All that booty crap is not involved. So to download it, we need to go to this site. It is called hexmods.com. And this site, they have all the modded apps, guys. They have all of the hacks. So here we are on the site. So I'm going to go to the search bar and just type in One Punch Man World, and there it is. So here's the mod. So we're going to press the download button, and then we will now start downloading the One Punch Man World mod. Now before it downloads, there is one more step. It's pretty easy. It's a verification. So what you have to do is download some apps and complete the instructions. They're from the App Store and they're completely free, so you guys should have no problem doing this. They give you 4 apps to choose from, which is pretty nice. Apparently, if you live in a different country than me, you might see different apps. That's totally normal. So we got like TikTok, it says run for 30 seconds. Then we got WGT Golf, you got to reach level 10, but these are all free like games and stuff, so it's not very hard. I did the Family Island, honestly. I had to reach level 10 on it. So yeah, it's pretty easy. So anyway, guys, once you finish, you will get your One Punch Man World modded version installed, and it is not bannable or so you guys will be fine. At least I haven't been banned. So yeah, this is super cool, guys, but just make sure when you do the verification that you read like what it says below the app, because some people don't do that, and they just like download it and they don't read the instructions. Like, you got to read them and complete them, and then once you do that, you guys should be fast on the track to getting One Punch Man World hack. So peace out.